Welcome to Ahmedabad, India's fastest growing city. This small city is home to some of India's biggest textile manufacturers. An industry that was established here as early as the 19th century.
The entrepreneurship talent over here was able to bring the mechanized manufacturing almost 140 years ago. Well, I am Ashish Nagarshet, a managing director with SMEW Textile Machinery Private Limited. We are a textile machine manufacturer based in Ahmedabad, India. SMEW was started in 1958 and it's been our family business since then. We make textile winding machines. Our main product is the soft package winding machine, the rewinding machine, and some customized machines for winding as well. Gone from MSME to SME, which is a small and medium scale enterprise from a micro scale enterprise.
In January 2017, SMEW Machinery decided to purchase and deploy the UR10 Cobot by Universal Robots.
A Universal Robot, with its simplicity and non-fencing requirement, met our requirements specifically for this machine. The UR10 robot is basically being used for a pick and place application. So our operators find it very, very easy to use. It's on a different level as far as operator friendliness is concerned.
મારું નામ ચૌહાણ છત્રજી જસવંતજી છે. હું એસેમ્બલરમાં 5 વર્ષથી નોકરી કરું છું. એનું પ્રોગ્રામિંગ અમે ઈઝી કરી શકીએ છીએ. મેન્યુઅલી કામ કરી શકો અમે એકદમ સ્પીડમાં કરી શકીએ છીએ. પ્લસ એમાં એક્સિડન્ટ યુનિવર્સલમાં થઈ શકતા નથી. નહીં એટલું બધું નથી.
The safety features were the most important part. The second important fact was the UR10 robot has a 360-degree movement in all the directions, which a normal industrial robot would not have. And that was one of the reasons why it could move in a very constrained space. The advantage with this application for us is that we are able to run the machine for much longer hours than what we would be doing using human labor. Before the robot was installed, we were making about 30 pieces a week. Now we are able to go from 30 pieces to almost 80 to 90 pieces per week. So that's a jump of almost 3 times. It's been very good for us because the return on investment is less than 12 months. We hope to have a long-term relationship with Universal Robots. We look forward to investing in more robots in the future and working along with the robots together.
Just like Ashish, at SMEW Machinery, many more small and medium-scale enterprises are choosing the Universal Robots Cobots as an affordable solution to take their operations to the next big milestone.